Hello everyone, Kelly here from the HOKA Elementary team. I'm going to take you on a little tour of the HOKA Elementary home. This is a sneak peek of what you're going to find when you join the membership. Here we've got unit themes, craft guides, and video resources. This is the triangle that makes up HOKA Elementary's fantasticness. And let's look at the video resources. And these are my offering. You can go here to join the community and talk about your learning because it's so important to bounce these ideas off. So I just want to invite everyone to join the Facebook community and meet up with Montessorians from around the world. Okay, theme number 1, we're having a cosmic education video. This one's divided into 2 parts, but you can hit play and here you go. There's me presenting a video to you, and I want to stress that these videos do not need to be watched. I have specifically designed them. Some are even just audio, but you do not have to sit down and watch them. You can be going for a walk, you can be washing dishes, you can be folding laundry, you can be cutting out laminated materials, card materials. You do not need to watch. Just listen and absorb and take in the ideas and the learning methodology, philosophy, and actual practical experience from my years and years and years in the classroom to help you grow as a Montessorian, because becoming the prepared adult is one of the biggest things Montessori stressed for her teachers. We have to prepare ourselves. It's not just about a good looking shelf. It's not just about a beautiful material layout. If we don't know the hows and whys behind, then we're not really doing Montessori. So let's have a look at the accompanying resource. Every single video and theme comes with this PDF. So you do not need to be taking notes while you're listening. You can just listen. The PDF has all the highlights for you already. Your notes are already taken. The PDFs are meant to be used in conjunction with the video. If you look at them by themselves, it's going to be out of context and you're probably not going to, there's going to be gaps. The video fills in the gaps. So you can also, if you do want to sit down, you can have this at your fingertips. If you print it out, you can take notes on this if you want to. And then each theme comes with discussion questions. These can be discussed, posed into the Facebook community if you're thinking about one in particular or more, or just use this as a personal reflection. I can even invite you to get a notebook and answer these yourself, because these questions are designed to help you grow as a Montessorian. So let's have a look at intrinsic motivation, month number 6. Same idea, play the video, and you've got here, me starting to talk to you. And then we've got our PDF resource here, and it's got an intro, and it's got all the key points. Every PDF has a Montessori quote from the video, fundamentals, ideas, and lots of tips and resources.